Today we're going to turn a 2D rectangle into a 3D rectangle. I'm going to start with a square. So I'm going to draw a square, hold the screen, and tap the screen, drop fill it. Then I'm going to get the arrow tool on the top left and put it on freeform. I'm just going to pull in the side and turn it into a rectangle. Make it a little bigger. Now I'm going to go to layers, tap the thumbnail and say alpha lock, and then get a darker shade of that color. Now towards the middle, I'm going to draw a straight line across, hold, tap the screen so it's perfectly straight, and I'm going to drop fill the bottom. So already you can see the illusion of a 3D shape happening. Now I'm going to go to the magic wand in the top left, go to Gaussian blur and give it a slight blur, maybe 5 to 10%, somewhere in that range. So with a lighter color, I'm just going to use a lighter blue and a new layer. I'm going to make a stripe down the middle. Make my brush a little thicker. Pull down and hold. Then make another one. Pull down and hold. Close off the top and the bottom. And then drop fill. Do the same thing going across on the top. So I'm going to make a plus sign in the top half of the box. Kind of like ribbon on a present. I'm going to fill those in. Then I'm going to go on the edges here and just clean it up with the eraser. Okay, on the bottom half where the darker side of the box is, I'm going to get a darker shade of that color. At the midpoint, draw a line. I'm going to alpha lock that layer. And at that midpoint, I'm going to draw the line. And drop fill may not work, so I'm just going to color it in because the shades will probably be too similar. And then just like before, Gaussian blur, about the same percent. And there you have even more of that 3D effect. You can add as many stripes as you want. You can add a ribbon to it if you want to. That's an easy way to just, with a regular 2D shape of a rectangle, turn it into a 3D shape without any perspective lines or anything like that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and I'll see you next time.